In this video, we're going to show you how to add an event gallery to the website. So there's about three things to do: is have the folder, upload the images, and then post them in your page using a template. So in the post section, I have all posts selected, and I have a gallery template here that we'll use for each subsequent gallery. So in this case, I'm going to click New Draft, and it will take that template, create a new post, and I'm going to replace gallery template with the name of the Gallery 11, which is 2018 Wafu Ikebana Flower Show, Cupertino, California. And I'm going to replace the permalink, which is good for search engine optimization and clarity of the web page names. And I'm going to put dashes there instead of spaces. And I'll just take out the rest. Click OK. Okay, so now I'm going to actually launch our software, the New World Builder, to create this gallery and bring in all the pictures. So it opens up the template that we just made into a new post with the one sample image that's there. So we need to bring in all the other images into this particular event gallery. But before we do it, we have to upload all the images. So in the dashboard for WordPress, let's go over to the dashboard here. Under Media Folders Library and the Library Folders, this is a plugin for WordPress that is very useful. It doesn't replace FTP, however, it does offer some advantages from a web layout and page building perspective. Rather than just uploading the files, it will automatically create thumbnails for you too. So I'm going to open up the 2018 folder, which I happen to have all galleries in, select it, and I'm going to add a folder, and I'm going to call it Gallery 11 without any spaces. So now I've got my gallery number 11, and I'm going to select it. Now I need to upload all of the images to it. So I'm going to click Add File, and there's a drag and drop user interface there. So the files or the pictures I have here on my desktop. Now I could select and upload all of them, and it may well work. It's a very powerful uploading plugin. However, due to variances in your upload speed capacity, sometimes if it speeds up and slows down, it may do a hiccup, and then you have to spend quite a while figuring out which images actually got uploaded. And also, the web servers sometimes have a limitation as far as concurrent uploads. So for this reason and for the demonstration, I'm just going to do 5 at a time to make absolutely sure that I'm able to do that. So as you can see, you can drag and drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those first 5 files and drag them onto that. And you can see that it's automatically uploaded them, which is great. So now let's take the second 5 files and do the same thing. And it's done a really good job of uploading them. So this time I'm going to try 10. And you can see the status bars there of all the uploads. And it did it without any errors. That's good. Okay, so let's take the next 10. We'll do the same thing. And you can see the progress file uploaders there. It's doing really well. Okay, so let's continue on, and we'll do the rest of the files. Okay, so now I've uploaded all of the files, and it looks like they all made it there. Okay, looks good. And you can see that the names of the files still have the underscores in them. We'll see if the app was able to remove those and replace them with spaces. If not, we have another plugin to do that. So now we've got all of our files. So now we want to put them into the gallery. So if you mouse over this particular gallery, which was originally done from the template, I'm going to edit the bottom of the 2 wrenches there to edit this gallery. And I'm going to add photos. So when the thumbnails of all the graphics come up, it lets you see all of them. However, you just want what's in gallery 11 now. So I'm going to type in gallery 11. This is why we created the folder without any spaces, gallery 11. So this way you can delineate or simplify, reduce the list to just everything that's in that one folder. It's very helpful. So I'm going to select the first image, go down to the bottom of the list, hold the Shift key, select the last image, and it gets all of them. So I'm going to click Add to Gallery, and you get to review all the pictures one more time. You can see that one thumbnail wasn't built yet. Chances are that will get built as soon as we display the page. I haven't seen it not happen yet. So we're going to click Update Gallery. Now we've got 152 photos in there, and we'll leave all the settings exactly as they were because that was part of the template. I'll click Save, and that saves that segment of the page, the gallery. Now I want to publish the actual post, so I click Done and then Publish. It remembers all the changes, but there's one thing we still need to do. So I'm going to open up the New World Builder again, and there's our gallery. I'm going to open it up, and instead I'm going to click Edit because I forgot to take out the gallery sample. There we go. So I'll click Update Gallery, Save, and then Done and Publish. So now we've got our gallery. So if you notice, I did this for a particular reason, and the gallery sorts automatically in ascending or descending format. So it actually started out with the letter Y. So in this case, let's go back to the builder and click to edit that gallery. And then over here in the Edit Gallery button, let's reverse the order. So it starts with the letter A. So we'll click OK, Save, and Done, and Publish. Okay, so it looks like it got the spaces okay in the titles, so that's great. In the event that there's a little hiccup or something like that, you can always manually edit it in the media section. Let's take an example of that, just in case this comes up for you. So let's go back to our dashboard, and let's go to the media section, and I'm going to type in here Gallery 11 and check that. Okay, so just in the event that something was different and I needed to change that or take out a space or put in Japanese characters, something like that, I could. And then I click Edit Image if I want to. I don't. And then it looks like our changes are complete. Just close it, and we're done with that. So now let's go back to the post. Last thing we need to change is the feature image. So let's, instead of the New World Builder, for speed, let's just click Edit. And the default image was from that sample gallery. So let's remove that default image, select New Feature Image, and remember we're in Gallery 11. So now we can look at all the pictures for gallery number 11 and pick the one we like the best. So let's just pick one at random that looks unique. Set that as the featured image. Update it there. And let's go back to the gallery and refresh the page. And there's the 2018 Wafu Cabana Flower Show in Cupertino, California. And if we open it up, there we've got all our images. We're looking good, and you can see that the scroll bar gets a little smaller as you go down because that's loading as needed all the new pictures as the user scrolls down. That way they don't have to go from page to page. And that's how you create and add pictures and create a post for an event gallery. Just one more thing. The tags that you have there, When we created the Wafu Ikebana Flower Show for 2018, we forgot to change the tags. So if we go to Quick Edit, and you can see that the default directions are there, we're just going to replace that with Gallery 11, the name of this gallery, and update it. That way, for easy references, if you have to add pictures to this, or you want to know which gallery number or which folder number goes with which gallery, you can open up all the posts and see very quickly which folder goes with which gallery. Makes it very helpful.